enemies of Biafra emancipation started, their jubilation, merrymaking on Twitter handles, on WhatsApp, on Facebook. It was all over social media. They were what? Abusing, downgrading, spanking, bringing down Biafra emancipation as a result of what? Animosity, enmity, and hostility to Igbo man by the major tribes, Fulani, Yoruba, even the Niger, some Niger Delta sister tribes of Igbos were even overwhelmingly happy over Simon Ekpa's predicament. But I'm here this morning to tell you that it doesn't matter. It was overhyped. I mean, over-dramatized. The Simon Ekpa saga on social media yesterday was over-dramatized. It wasn't actually what everybody thought or was thinking yesterday. I tell you that Ekpa was invited by Finland police. An allegation leveled against him bordering on sponsorship of terrorism was due to the fact that 4 days ago there was a fundraising, in that regard of the sacrosanct Biafra declaration on 2nd December, and the eagle eyes of Finland police caught that fundraising. Their attention was actually what brought about invitation of Simon Ekpa by Finland police, and that actually he is under grilling right now. He is in custody, but he has not been imprisoned. And Nigeria is fortunately bargaining for his head. The Nigerian military, the Ministry of Defense, Colonel Musa, of all people, was jubilating. The whole Nigerian military, they were partying, drinking and eating, that their enemy number one has been at least arrested in faraway Finland. They were asking for extradition. I wonder if anything like that, expulsion, will ever come to the mind of the Finnish Prime Minister to expel their own citizen, Simon Ekpa, into hellfire called Nigeria. I don't think the Prime Minister is going to do that. But all I know is that they are going to follow the due process in Finland. If what he's doing is legal or extra-legal, Finland knows how to punish any erring citizen in Finland. But the question is this: do they have expulsion pact or agreement? I mean, Nigeria. Does Nigeria have expulsion or expulsion pact, expulsion or extradition pact agreement with Finland? No. They don't have that kind of pact or bond to bring into Nigeria any of Nigeria's erring citizens. And let me inform the whole world, to the case that you are not informed, watching me. Simon Ekpa denounced his citizenship since 7 years ago, Nigerian citizenship. He returned the passport and they submitted it to Nigerian embassy in Finland. So Ekpa has nothing to do with Nigerian citizenship. Ekpa is an Igbo man. Ekpa is a Biafran by birth. Ekpa by naturalism and let me say citizenship. Ekpa is a Biafran. Ekpa is an Igbo man. Instead, Finland can do what Nigeria asks for. I think the sun can leave the eastern hemisphere where it breaks out every morning to western hemisphere where, of course, everybody knows the sun sets there. That is, the earth will be rearranged. I don't know what I understand. So it is a possible thing. And as I'm talking to you now, still there's an uneasy calmness in Aso Rock because Tinubu has not been briefed. Bayo Ononuga has not spoken. Bayo Ononuga, the tribalized Bayo Ononuga, has never spoken about this matter. So I think what happened yesterday was hatred against Igbo man. When the Fulanis were jubilating on comment section of Phoenix, when the Yorubas were writing against Igbo man on the comment section of Facebook, it actually spells how hostile, how aggressive these tribes are against their brother tribes, Igbo. The Igbos did not offend anybody. If you ask me, I say God is the one that brings this kind of, a situation where Igbo man found himself today. Because Igbo man is versatile, Igbo man is educated, Igbo man is intelligent, Igbo man is wise, Igbo man is much more enterprising than any other tribe in Nigeria. That's why there is hatred. Everybody is hating Igbo man. Ask me what Simon Ekpa did that warranted this kind of, a celebration yesterday. I will tell you that I don't know. It is nothing, because out of nothingness, the Yoruba nation, they start spanking and hating Biafra, while Yoruba nation themselves, Oduduwa Republic, they agitated, they tired out, because they don't know what it takes. The quest for Oduduwa Republic has never been made known to the whole world, and how resilient they are to bring that dream into reality. We've never seen the match, we've never seen the comparison, we've never seen it coming. But Biafra everywhere,
Biafra everywhere,
Biafra
every corner, all over the world.
I have this to tell the whole world.
The whole international media carried it.
I want to just tell you that the quest for Simon Ekpa's extradition into Nigeria has once again catapulted Simon Ekpa's popularity into the whole continent of the earth. In Australia, is well known now. The object of discussion among the Igbos, among the Yorubas, among other ethnicities in Australia now is Simon Ekpa. Then are we talking about Asia again? India is seeing it upon themselves that their brothers Igbos, the strangers Igbos, their guests Igbos that are all over New Delhi, Calcutta, Bombay, doing their business. Their right brother, the brother of theirs that is so much resilient and determined to make sure that Biafra comes to pass come 2nd December is under arrest. What an unbelievable, superstitious and fictitious speculation by media users, platform. They are saying he is arrested, he is jailed. They are all unreal. They are not being, factual. There is no figure, there is no fact of all these hearsays, rumors, and the speculations. I'm trying to tell you that in America and Europe, it is the same. They were speculating right because they are the ones that, are closer to the Scandinavian country. Germany, I received a call yesterday from my friend Sunday Ojuku. Ojuku was telling me, even on voice note, that he was laughing at the people carrying out along all this with them speculations that Ekpa is doing that, Ekpa is doing this, Ekpa has been detained, Ekpa has been arrested. He said, Ojuku, don't mind them. They are not well informed on what is going on in Finland. He said, Germany and Finland is share border. That nothing like that actually happened. But Simon Ekpa was invited over that financial contribution that went on some 5-6 days ago. And the police are accusing him. They want to know whether he's using it to sponsor terrorism. But I want to tell the whole world that there is no terrorism, no terror group in southeastern Nigeria. What you have in southeastern Nigeria are people that are defending their fatherland. The former Biafra in 1967 is still the current Biafra, and they are working hard, very, very hard. I mean all the youths there, to make sure that Biafra must spit and sit out from hellfire called Nigeria. And that is what Nigerian government under Buhari called terrorist group. We are indigenous people of Biafra. Every Igbo man that is born in the southeast cannot deny it. Any Igbo man that is born in the southeastern Nigeria that deny is not indigenous people of Biafra is a bastard. His father must have come from Fulani land. We are not terrorists. God knows. United Nations knows. United States of America knows that we are not terrorists. The people that are terrorists are the Fulani people in the north. They invited banditry. They imported Boko Haram. A new terror group has come, Lakaruas, on the axis of Fulani Sokoto State, disaliving, demising farmers. Excuse me, even the farmers over there, the community members, people in Sokoto State, Lakaruas have started controlling that area by collecting taxes, tolls from farmers, from villagers, disaliving any errant villagers that could, say no to them. They have subjected Sokoto to attack as I'm talking to you. These people invited Al-Qaeda into northern Nigeria. Igbo man does not know anything about terrorism. What Igbo man knows is it's all about business, entrepreneurship. The most enterprising people in Nigeria are the Igbos. Leave terrorism for Fulani, Kanuri. Yes, northeast, northwest, core north. Leave terrorism for them. Igbo man has his business going. Igbo man has been asking for seaports, industrialization and commercialization of southeastern region. Nigeria refused to do that. And today, Igbo man is waxing strong, spreading all over Nigeria. It is out of jealousy that everybody were shouting, doing what? Dancing, partying over Simon Ekpa ordeal.
Convention is already on. It remains unstoppable. Nobody can stop it. So that is why I said that whether Simon Ekpa is outside or not, that December 2nd is sacrosanct. So Nigerian government should hear that at the back of their mind.
Yes, the venue for the event is already set. A lot of people are flying into Finland. A lot of the atmosphere is already, at the peak, and the structure of the Biafra government in exile has started engaging the Finland government. And
yes.
of course, from what we are hearing, Simon Ekpa is presenting the genuine cause of Biafran restoration. And I can tell you, the president of Finland, Alexander Stubb, has already been given his nod to Biafran freedom. Thank you and God bless you. Keep a date with us.
That for decades, Nigerian government have been pointing accusing finger on Finland. As it stands today now, the arrest of Simon Ekpa, Finland government is trying to wash their hand, wash their leg out of it. So that is why they want to test run this matter by taking Simon Ekpa into their judicial system for the judicial system to open their law book to see whether Simon Ekpa has right to do what he's doing. Do you understand that? So they should stop jubilating, they should stop dancing, because I know all of them are nothing but empty head. They don't have something in their head. So the party remain. If they say Simon Ekpa do this, Simon Ekpa do that in Nigeria, question, me and you belong to this Nigeria. We live here. We do all our activities here. If they say Simon Ekpa committed an offense, my question goes like this. Is Simon Ekpa the cause of IDP camp in the north? Is this Simon Ekpa that created Boko Haram? Created ISIS that is rapidly the whole north? Is this Simon Ekpa the creator of Fulani men that have been sacking villages and rape? What is the offense of Simon Ekpa? The offense of Simon Ekpa is simply goes this way, because after they have succeeded in North, they want to bring that same habit into the eastern region, and the Togo be the Godi. Person like Simon Ekpa stood up to tell a young government, no,
It cannot work.
it can't work. And is it where he committed offense? So Nigerian government should look back, check themselves, because they are the real terrorists. They are the real terrorists. They exploit resources from Biafran land to empower their economy. That is where they raise money. To train all the terrorists that you have seen in Nigeria. One nation, they are having over eight terrorists, deadly terrorist outfit in Nigeria. We are just surviving by the grace of the Almighty God, if not God. Just take a look at what is happening in the north, the Benue. So, is this a nation where on earth have you seen where government raising a deadly terrorist outfit against his people. That only happened in Nigeria. And the people should stop jubilating. Someone about committed nothing. Question, my happiness is here. My happiness is this. I so much thank God, Finland is a democratic nation that believe under rules of law. So they cannot do anything outside the law. So that is why, after much accusation against Finland government, and of course, they will no choice whether they are going to do the needful by arresting him, to arrange him before their competent court of law. So the outcome depends, because the court is going to open their law book to check the activities of Simon Ekpa as been alleged. You understand me? If actually Simon Ekpa goes out of the law in doing things. But what I am seeing here, Simon Ekpa committed nothing. Rather, you're only embarking on what they call self-defense. Stop killing my people. That is not a crime.
Simple.
That is not. That is never terrorism.
Stop killing my people.
Stop killing my people.
Releasing them the Kano.
Releasing Martin Namdekano. That court has freed him. They charge him and acquitted, and you are still keeping him. That simply means you are operating outside the law. Because if you are law-abiding, a government that operating under the ambit of law, I don't see the reason why you disobey the decision of the Supreme Court and the Appeal Court till date. So question goes like this: Simon Ekpa committed nothing. So the terrorists in Nigeria should stop jubilating. That his days has ended. His day has not ended. Finland court is going to look at the matter critically and check where it goes wrong and where it did not go wrong. But as I'm speaking today now, I'm assuring you that less than 72 hours, that Finland court will be done with Simon Ekpa. And it will be, and Simon Ekpa will be discharged and acquitted, and of course he will return back to his office to continue this fight. So nobody on this planet Earth can stop the incoming declaration.
Yes, I tell you that already the structure he put on ground have already announced to the whole world that they are going to continue.
Of course.
With 2nd December Biafra Restoration Declaration.
Nobody can stop it. Whether you arrest Simon Ekpa, you arrest Martin Namdekano, we are determined, and we have decided. It's only God that can stop it, not man. There is no man born of any woman can stop the incomings of Biafra nation come 2nd December 2024. So they should stop dancing. They should stop this idiotic celebration. You understand me? Because it is God that has the final say. How did God have the final say? Question: is Nigeria government operating under the armpit of the Almighty God? Are they been embarking funding terrorism in Nigeria, sacking villages, killing, raping, and they uproot them? That is why today, as it stands, God himself is annoyed with Nigeria. Human being on earth is annoyed with Nigeria. So Nigeria can escape this. Nigeria state can never escape this. So they should stop dancing in Asoro, because the Biafran are coming for them. So my happiness here is this: Finland is a democratic government that believes under the rules of law. So that is why they said that Sam Ekpa is being arrested. They are not keeping him in their cell. Nothing like that. It's just for the police to come out and do their duty by arranging him and take him to any competent court of law in Finland, so that that the court will determine whether he committed offense or not. Because I know that the court, whosoever that Sam Ekpa is being done in Finland, that court will visit some section in international law and local law to check whether he has gone out of track. But if Sam Ekpa is still operating within the ambit of the law, of the international law and the local law that permit, allow self-defense to play, okay, I'm telling you that less than 72 hours, Sam Ekpa will be returned to the office of Biafran government in exile to continue this fight with Nigeria.
Yes, are you had information that the venue for the event, restoration of Biafra, is already set? A lot of people are already in Finland to honor the restoration convention, that's about to take place. And secondly, and they are saying that Nigeria can never go to that level successfully of extradition of Ekpa back to Nigeria. What's their reaction to that? Already Biafrans all over the world has already queued up, and everybody is networking while Simon Ekpa is there, presenting the another angle of Biafran agitation to the Finnish government.
You see, if you are talking about Nigerian government extraditing Ekpa back home, they are dreaming.
They don't even have a extradition treaty with Finland.
They are dreaming. Do they think Finland is Kenya or Ghana? Even they cannot do it in Ghana here, because Ghana has some little respect for law. You understand me? So it's not like those countries that are so empty like them. So anybody that says they mention that is just a cracking joke. So you can't work. You are dreaming. You are dreaming.